Mazak CNC control panels. Mazak is a well-known manufacturer of CNC, computer numerical control, machine tools. They develop their own proprietary CNC control systems called MAZATROL. These controls are designed to be user-friendly and efficient for programming and operating mazak machines. Key features of MAZATROL controls. Conversational programming. MAZATROL is famous for its conversational programming, which allows operators to input machining parameters in a more intuitive, question and answer format rather than traditional G-code. Touchscreen interface. Modern MAZATROL controls often feature large touchscreen displays for easy navigation and operation. 3D simulation. Many controls offer 3D simulation capabilities to visualize the machining process before it begins, helping to prevent errors. Advanced machining cycles. MAZATROL includes pre-programmed cycles for common machining operations, simplifying programming. AI integration. Newer versions incorporate AI to optimize machining parameters and improve efficiency.